Today I share with you how to make Nigeria chinchin in a big quantity, especially if you are planning to open a snacks business in this season. This is just the best way to go about this. All you need to know to make Nigeria chinchin for it to last for you as long as you want. So sweetie, to begin you are going to be needing all-purpose flour. So this is the time you are going to work on your first assignment, especially if you are a business person. Before making this chin chin in a big quantity, you have to first of all know the flour you are going to use for this recipe. To begin, I'm going to be using 6 packets of all-purpose flour, and I show you guys all the 6 packets like this. And take note guys, always measure your flour and the same time stream it before you can use it like this. So this is the last one, I just stream it like this. Then what I add now is sugar. I make use of 1.5 cup of sugar. Then the same time I add in salt, 2 teaspoons of salt. Next, I'm going to be adding is nutmeg, just 1 teaspoon, and then adding baking powder, then adding 1 spoon of baking powder. All you do now is to stir together. So after getting everything combined, next you need is butter. The butter is already soft at this moment, so all I do now is to add everything, then mix it together with the flour like this. So I'm going to mix until everything get dissolved like this. So what you need next is egg. So just keep this aside. On this bowl we have 5 eggs. Then break out the shell, and this is what you have. They are going to add in vanilla extract. The center are going to be adding milk. So on this bowl you are going to add in 2 pack of milk. So if you leave over here, and in case you want to add, this is cow milk, and this is what you normally use over here. It's so nice and healthy. So I make use of 2 pack of it. So then after adding the 2 pack, next I'm going to add in is water. Just 1 cup of water is good for me at this point. Then I'm going to mix that together until they get combined. You can always get milk any available supermarket around you. Just tell them you need cow milk. The same time you can see other milk as well. So then you are going to pour that inside the dry ingredient like this, then get everything mixed. So I add that twice. So this is the first one. I first of all mix it half like this. Then now I'm going to be adding the remaining one. So guys, I'm so happy with this mixture. At this point I don't need any other water or any other flour. So this is going to enable me to get this batter done, and everything is going to come out perfect. So I'm going to transfer that back to the wall surface, then use my hand to do the final job. It was just so simple and nice. So this is just how you get this done, and it's going to be massive. So after mixing everything, this is what I have. At this point it has come together and it's everything nice. Have you shared this video? This time around, you don't need to go to someone's shop to learn how to get this done. You can be in the space of your house and learn this in perfect way. Then try it out for your business. It's going to help you. So now that I'm done mixing it, I'm going to divide everything into 3 like this. So that is just me dividing out. Then after doing that, I'm going to keep it and then let this to rest before I proceed. Just cover that for 30 minutes. Then 30 minutes later, this is what it look, just to get this soft, not much. Okay, so that is me taking the rest of the two. I keep it aside. Then bring one of it back to the wall surface, then use my roller to roll it. So this time you are going to roll it until it's flat like this. So you just roll it until you have something like this guys. So you have to be this flat. Don't let that to be big, that big, because you have already added baking powder. So that is going to make the thing to, as it make the chinchin to rise during the frying process. So when you are rolling it like this, you have to make sure that it's flat. Don't let it to be big. If not, after frying the chinchin, it is going to be a big stone, so which is not going to be nice like that. So for you to have that Nigeria tiny size and the center come out massive, you are going to just first of all roll your batter very tiny like this. So after doing that, you are going to use cutter to just divide it into little cut like this, as I just cut it. It was just so simple, and this cutter I hold, you can easily find it anywhere you are. So now you are going to use this oil to do the job. So over here you have hot oil. I'm going to transfer that back inside the oil. as I divided it into three. So that first one, I first of all get that wok and then fry it. So after frying that one, then I will go for the second one, then do it the same way and fry. So don't mix everything at once. So you will just cover that one. Then when you are done frying the first part, you can go for the second part. Look at that. This is just so nice. I love this color. It fries so nice and they were just so amazing. My goodness, this is just everything you need in chin chin, and everything you need to know to get this done is what I just show you. All you need to do is to share this video, follow this process to make Nigeria chin chin, both for sale, both for eat. Everyone around you is going to appreciate you. So at this point, I'm done frying everything. Look at that. This chin chin is so massive. It was so massive. So this is how I get my chin chin done. I'm not selling it. This is just for us to eat, and this is going to last as long as I want. Okay, so if you are a family person, you can as well get this done for your family. This is just what they can easily eat once in a while as a snacks, and it go a long way, and it gets everything matched watering, so always get this for your family. They are going to appreciate you. Once in a while, you can easily just fry this in a big quantity, add it inside the container. Keep it around your house like that. Anytime your children want, your hobby, anyone can easily go there and eat. So this is how to get this done, and it's going to last. Sweet, everything you need in kitchen, this come for it, and it was small and delicious. All you got to do is to share. Follow this process to get it done. It's going to be everything you need. In my next one, bye.